Well everyone, iOS 26.5.2 has just officially came out, and you might be wondering how it holds up on the iPhone 11 Pro. Now one of the big things I can definitely tell you is that within the iPhone 11 Pro, you're definitely going to be getting a very good version of software within 26.5.2, and this is more so the way I'd recommend most people to kind of go through and kind of think about picking up their device, because this is the one that's going to make a lot more sense. Now, within iOS 26.5.2, this basically just came through and fixed and addressed some issues specifically for your web exploits. So it's not just limited to this, but there were lots of little random problems that you may have ran into here within iOS 26.5, and there may have been some like web exploits, some Safari issues that may have been coming around. Well, Apple went through and essentially fixed those data leaks that were kind of happening there. So luckily they were able to go through and kind of fix and address those issues. But keep in mind, this isn't going to be the best fix of all time, but it is going to be kind of fixing some of those issues that you may have ran into there. So I'd recommend everyone to install it, and that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.